Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I came up with a quite interesting and simple to the advanced level of DAX. Right? So basically, this is the information, but actually this is a real-time scenario, and their data is different. But I have just consolidated so that you can understand that what exactly the requirement is, and based on them we can try to resolve the problem. Okay. So here, let's take we have some employees. Just take an example of different IDs. They are login IDs. So whenever they are login on a certain time frame, their IDs are generated. Okay. In each ID, let's take whenever on that day or on that particular day when they are logged out, they are assigned with a particular logout ID. So let's take the first 102, 1045. They have assigned to a logout ID of 65. Okay. The next day, some other employees are coming because there are some hybrid cultures are going on, right? So the first day, these are the employees with the 65 ID. Then these are the employees with the 75 logout ID. So what my requirement here in this case is that so on the each and every logout ID 65, I want the maximum in login ID maximum. So this is the maximum ID 105. So it means that there are five employees are login on that day, right? So 1005. So 105 should be repeated across here. In this case, it should be repeated 1010. In this case, it should be repeated around somewhere around 1015. And for the 95, it should be 1019. Should be repeated. So that's our objective. Okay. So let's try to resolve through a column. Okay. Let's create a new column here. And what the name we can give anything. So let's create a max ID. First of all, let's create a variable here. Okay. So I will say v logout ID. Okay. I'll simple take the logout ID here from this column. Now I will take a var v underscore max. Here I will take my calculate. Exactly, I need the max of my login ID. Okay, maximum of login ID under the filter table with compare of each logout ID compared to the so each needs to be compared, and based on that it will give you the maximum. So 65 needs to be compared here. Okay, so I will say the logout ID equals to my v logout ID, which is the variable. So it will be create a table out of that, and based on that whatever the table represent, from there it will give you the maximum login ID here in this case. Now let's return here. I will say v underscore vmax. Okay. So here just try to understand. This is we are taking ID here. Okay. Then from there we are taking a filter table. It will filter the table. And each row will be compared based on this. So equals to equals to equals to whenever the 65 equals to, and from this 65. So first of all, first value will be 65. 65 equals to 65. 65 equals to 65. So all the 65s will be one table, and from this table we are taking the maximum is called the 1005. So the next one it will be 75. So 75 equals to 75. 75 equals to 75. 75 equals to 75. And from there, whatever the table it generated, from there it will take the maximum login ID. It will be 101, like that. Okay. So that return this. And if you see under this 1005, right, and under this 10010, under this 1015, and under this 1019. Okay, so this is the way we can able to achieve this formula. Okay, let me again try to understand this with a simple formula, but there is a challenge. This I will resolve through another time. So this is we resolve through the column. Okay. But can we do it through the measure? Yes, we can do that. But measures is the very much problem is the first one. Like how we can take the log ID for each and every row. I just want to take it, right? The row context, how we can do it, the row context in case of measure. But that I am putting as a challenge for you guys. So if anybody solve this problem in the major, please post it in the comments. I will do check it out. Else, I will make a video and a separate video for the major section. Okay. So hope you like this video and please do subscribe for more interesting scenario, real-time scenario for the Power BI DAX, Power Query, and all these things. And thanks for watching and bye bye.